Here I have LEPHONE W2 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's here find and select settings. From the list of settings you need to scroll down and choose here language and input. From the following options you need to tap language at the top of the screen, and here you can use one of the following languages. So in my case, let me for example switch my language from English to Spanish, so let's tap on Español from España. And right now the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to the English version, let's find and select Ajustes, scroll down and select here Idioma y Traducción de Texto, right here, tap Idioma again, and from the following list you need to find and select English, for instance from United States. Alright, that's it, everything went well, now you can use your English version. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.